Bryan, will you do the honors?
Alright, what the fuck is good, Joey? Back in the fish, back with another one. Damn, my mouth's kind of dry. Can't even do my intro right. But yes, sir, we are there. Back with another one, and let's see what the date and time is. Y'all know how that go. Here we go. Let's refresh it though. Well, it's not gonna refresh, but November 6th. Here we go. Let's see, 7 o'clock a.m. Kind of hard to see a date. But it's only been a week since the last one. Might start getting more active with these. That's how I was gonna do it a long time ago and just never did. So my hikes be so inconsistent, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent. Even with the videos, and they'll be coming out soon. Nigga just slacking right now. But nice chill day. Not too bad, it's not too cold. That's what I was actually expecting. It was gonna be super cold. And I was gonna have to wear my gloves or something. But it's actually not bad. This hoodie will probably be coming off in the next 10-15 minutes. Probably won't take too long, but until then, I'll throw on the chest and I back on a little bit.
Kind of low. I don't know.
Midway point.
I need to walk though.
Yeah, it's a couple of them now. But that's a little midway point.
Yeah,
I'll check with y'all again in a little bit.
I'm not doing that again.
Back at the tunnel. Nah, it looks like they stacked eye.
I feel like they were falling.
There we go. So much different coming through the tunnel this way.
Kind of scary to think about.
It's crazy how much different this looks from the other side. So it's crazy how much different this looks from the other side coming through this way. Or coming through this way than the other way. Looks like it's so much bigger and like it's so much more over here. Like it's a brand new world. And last time we went up there, let's skip that this time, no. And keep looping through. I know I normally wouldn't be holding it while I'm walking like this. I normally have it on the chest, but I want to check in a little bit. Currently at Hidden Tunnel. I guess technically the full name is Hidden Valley Natural Tunnel, but I just call it Hidden Tunnel for short. You kind of get that from what it looked like. But I feel like it's a little bit more scenic from the side. It's coming out to all the rocks, all the formations.
I'll get something for my Instagram.
Then you got all the animals living under there. Oh.
Mama texted me.
They're like little houses.
Huh?
Oh no, I talk to the camera. Like little houses in here. Wouldn't mess with it. You don't know what's lurking in there. So I'd be staying away from that. But aside from that, it looks cool though. Man. I ain't got my mouth dry. Yeah, it'll save there. See, that's the only thing is that holding this, now I get to show y'all more up here rather than y'all just seeing what's forward or what's directly ahead of me. I'm gonna go through this way. You could go through there. I guess I'll go through there just for the shot. Just for the shot. Oh. What'd you say?
This looks like a mushroom.
Maybe a little bit. Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? Good. Come on. Good morning.
What's that?
GoPro, just recording for YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Do like hiking videos and biking videos and stuff.
Have fun.
Just active stuff, thank you. Enjoy your hike.
We're gonna be famous.
Maybe. Hopefully. Have a nice day. Oh, look at all that. More formations. And this side is more of a climbing section. Cause we're going backwards. Normally over here, you know, you have like this slippery rock that you have to kind of slide down, but we're going in reverse today, so they look a little bit different. They're on the chest, so I have both hands for mobility reasons, of course. And I back on a little bit. Which one? Oh, over there. Oh. It's not that bad. You just gotta trust the shoes. Let's see. It's not that bad. You just gotta put your hands up here. That's weird. Yeah, see? I told you. It's at the step. Good morning.
It's slick right there.
Oh yeah, that little first part. Then it gets grippier as you get higher.
It's easier going down.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right, back with y'all. Now we're at Slide Rock. Climbing at this time though. I don't know if it looks the same on camera as it does in person, but that little first part wasn't steep, but you definitely feel it a little bit though when you start. Not talking to you, girl. See, that's what I'm saying. From this side, it's so much more scenic. Sometimes you'll see like water running down. You see residue from the water over there. This is from water right here. Like a little river coming down here. But I love this. You don't get to see it like this from the other side where you take hidden tunnel, or not hidden tunnel, Fat Man's Pass first. And that's actually what's gonna be on the other side of this. Alright. So I'm just going straight up through there. See, y'all don't see it, but I'm just hopping. And no, I'm gonna hop over the other side, but oh, only got one hand. An empty hole. You can go up and under. Good morning.
What's the way down from here or from there?
It's easier to go down here, definitely. Right here? Yeah, definitely easier. No problem. Enjoy your hike. That's one way.
Huh?
So that's one way. Could have went under the rock though.
I went under, but not in that little gap.
Yeah, the gap is the easy way. And I don't know if y'all can see a city over there through the mountains.
Bryan, will you do the honors?
Alright, I can see that the battery is low. I'd have to stop to see exactly how much battery is left, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it back on the chest. The time lapse be less tax on the battery. Good morning.
Morning.
So I'm gonna throw it back on the chest on the time lapse. My back trying a little bit. Back to Fat Man's Pass. Already got the backpack taken off because I know I had to do it. Looks so much more narrow from this side.
Oh my god. At least you start narrow and then you feel a little more.
Okay. So I'm gonna do it this way so that I can use this to brace myself. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go the other way. Your face is gonna be at that little thing now.
I'm okay with that. I just don't want to scratch up my Ray-Bans. That'd be cool. Oh, no. Oh yeah, there we go. The way out is definitely easier this way. It's definitely easier to get out on this side.
Bryan, will you do the honors?
Alright. Alright, so look, I'm back with y'all. If y'all saw the last video, y'all saw that outro, and y'all already know what's going on. If you didn't see that one, then this, I guess, is gonna be a little bit of a Easter egg for the people who know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. It was a little, you know, time lapse showing the same trail just backwards. So if you saw the last video and then saw this one, just kind of show a reverse, but it looked a little bit different, more scenic from this side, like I said. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. It's been long enough. My legs kind of hurt because I've been doing the same workout. If y'all know what it is, look it up. That shit is crazy. I've been doing 2 days with that shit. So did that shit maybe an hour or so before even going hiking today. So my legs are done. I'm about to go ahead and shower and probably knock out or something. I don't even know. Should be editing this video, but we'll get to that when we get to it. Till then, thank y'all for watching. That was another one. We out this bitch.